G'day Australia, I'm Quorum E from Audiocom Mobile Electronics. Today I want to talk about the brand new Thinkware F790 dual dash camera. This is Thinkware's new flagship model. It's a very good quality camera with all the high quality of finish that you'd normally expect from Thinkware. A couple of key features of the camera is very high recording resolution, a very high quality image sensor, which is important because lower quality image sensors don't do well in glary conditions or in low light conditions. So very good quality Sony image sensor on this Thinkware dash camera. Now, it also has a high memory capability. There's a few different sizes, and that is expandable, of course. It's a dual camera, so there's a camera pointing forwards at the front of the car and a camera pointing backwards. You can just see it in the background there on the rear window. We've fitted this today to a nice Porsche Macan at Audiocom, and we've show you a couple of the details of the install here. So the camera itself is a nice modern shape. It's got some cool little techie shapes and edges on the new design, and we've got a sleek little tucked away cable here, and that's all you'll really see of the camera. Now, from the driver's perspective, you can see basically I'm holding the phone there at the driver's point of view, and the camera's basically invisible. We always position it behind the mirror there so that it gets a good field of view down the road, but it's not obstructing the view of the driver at all. Now, once your Thinkware camera is paired up and connected to the phone, you access all the features and memory and footage via the app via your phone. So this is the camera itself, but you don't need to access the camera once it's been installed. The interface is fully via Wi-Fi on your phone. Check out the links below for the full features of the F790. There's a lot. It's got GPS awareness. It will give you warnings for fixed and speed camera locations and red light camera locations. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can do with it. So check out more of the details at the Thinkware website at the link below. We have these in stock at all Audiocom stores, and we can integrate them to your car, whatever vehicle you might have. We can get a nice quality professional finish installed at any of the Audiocom locations. We have a service workshop at each of the Audiocom stores. So thank you for watching, and if you're looking for a dash camera solution, come and see us. We'll put something together specific for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below. I want to see you again soon.